The Indian Army's Shatrujit Brigade conducted its largest ever combat water pad insertion, with troops jumping from 10,000 feet, before regrouping in water and launching a ground assault during a 96-hour exercise. Ivory Coast Air Force Chief visited an Air Force station and received a detailed briefing on the indigenous Prachand light combat helicopter, amid reports that Ivory Coast is evaluating 6 Prachand helicopters. Maharashtra-based Sunita Tools has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Polish defense company to jointly develop and manufacture intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance UAVs, loitering munitions and smart drone ammunition. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited plans to raise annual production of AL-31FP engines from existing 30 units to 50 units by 2030. As many of the Indian Air Force's Su-30 aircraft delivered around 2015 begin requiring their second replacement engines. A U.S. Marine Corps F-35B stealth fighter crashed at a military base in California. Turkey's new KAAN P-1 prototype has begun power taxi tests ahead of flight trials, while Turkish officials previously said that nearly 200 Pakistani engineers and officials were associated with the program, adding pressure on India to keep the AMCA development and flight testing schedule on track. Bharat Electronics Limited has announced that the project Kusha long-range air defense system is on track, and the company expects production orders worth over 40,000 crore rupees in 2029. DRDO's Aeronautical Development Establishment has issued a 2-year tender to develop a fully integrated digital mock-up for India's indigenous HALE UAV that will help finalize the design and detect component clashes before prototype construction, with the development phase expected to include 5 aircraft and 2 ground control systems. Industry sources have said that executing the AMCA program through a private sector-led consortium could trigger a large-scale movement of experienced engineers from Hindustan Aeronautics DRDO and its laboratories to the winning private sector consortium. The winning company or consortium will require specialists, and factors like higher market-based salaries, faster promotions and greater technical responsibility are expected to accelerate lateral hiring. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a missile test scheduled between 6 August and 7 August 2026 for a designated range of 2,525 kilometers over the Bay of Bengal toward the southern Indian Ocean. The designated range can be extended further, and the size and orientation of the test corridors suggest it could involve a strategic long-range missile test, involving the advanced Agni missile equipped with MIRV technology, or potentially the 10,000 km range Agni-6 intercontinental ballistic missile ahead of India's Independence Day. Israel has announced that it is planning to develop an indigenous pilotless combat aircraft with foreign partners, with capabilities comparable to its US-supplied F-35 stealth fighters. The project forms part of a broader plan to gradually reduce dependence on US over the next decade, and replace it with domestic and jointly developed systems. Israel is already looking at India as a long-term defense manufacturing hub, not only for Indian orders, but also to support Israel's own requirements and global exports. The project could involve foreign partners like India, which could open future cooperation in unmanned combat aircraft sensors, electronic warfare and weapons integration. Dassault Aviation has said that the proposed Rafale manufacturing facility in India could evolve into its second major global production and export hub, serving both the Indian Air Force and future customers across Asia, Middle East and Africa. Dassault Aviation's final assembly line in France is already under pressure from domestic requirements and export orders, making additional manufacturing capacity increasingly important. The program could also generate major opportunities for Indian suppliers, integrating them into the global Rafale supply chain and supporting future exports. Today's top 3 comments.